Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add the black smoke transitions to your CapCut edits. So here you can just prepare your edits, photos or clips like this. And to add the transition, just click on the transition box in between the clips and click on the overlay category and just swipe until you found the black smoke transition, this one. Here I'm going to adjust the duration to 0.7 seconds, the maximum. Click on apply to all and click on a check icon. So this is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!